Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Baldur's Gate 3 for beginners on Xbox. Start by creating a character with clear strengths, adjust controls for comfort, and select an origin that matches your playstyle. Learn how to use the radial menus, quick save often, and explore camp options for rest and roleplay. I will guide you through combat basics, party management, and how to avoid common rookie mistakes while keeping things fun and relaxed. Choosing the right character makes the early game far less frustrating and much more enjoyable. I recommend starting with a straightforward class like Fighter or Cleric to learn core mechanics, then experiment with one caster for utility. Focus on a simple rotation, party synergy, and items that boost your primary stat. I'll explain how subclass choices and proficiencies affect play, and how to plan your first 10 levels for steady progress. Quick recommendation: if you want fewer distractions during long sessions, try these leak-proof containers for easy meal prep and clean breaks between quests. They keep food secure and are great for snacks at the couch or long play nights, which means fewer spills on your controller. If you like the tip, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Combat is tactical and rewards clever thinking more than fast reflexes, especially on Xbox. Learn to pause, survey the battlefield, and set up ambushes or control spells before committing. Use environmental hazards, throwables, and height advantage to tilt encounters in your favor. Shift camera and Q actions for companions, and conserve key spells for boss fights. I'll walk you through sample encounters and show how planning beats brute force.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.